Hey guys, so today we are back for another video, and today we are going to be opening 20 bags of SuperThings Kazoom Power Mission. Now, I have opened 5 off camera, and also just keep tuned. Where's the other one? Oh, he's fallen off. Here we are. So, yeah. Anyways, let's go on with it. There's also a surprise at the end, so stay tuned. So, we've got Bad Nana so far. Go on, lighting, work, there we go. Bad Nana, the remaster. Dare Dart. Van Gogh. What's he called? Perfection? I don't think it's that. Well, I'll have a look in a second. And Tool Force. So that is very good and very nice. Now, there is a surprise at the end of the video. We'll give you a clue. Yep. But we'll take the T-Drag appears to be very kindly holding a few of the bags. I've also got more elsewhere. Let's just get into it. So, it's quite round. Let me get this checklist up. I'm going to try and make this quick. I'm going Potato. That is my guess. Oh, no. Is it Mega Mike? Yes, Mega Mike. Come on. There he is. I'm getting Ziggy Beat and Mikey vibes. Anyways, bye-bye packet. Right then, so, next. Win Williams I'm going. See if can I get one correct. Yes, Win Williams. My third crystal. What is that with the lighting? There we go. There he is. Join the Zings. The Super Zings, not Super Things. Change my mind. Right. So, here. This is quite a strange shape. That's the bottom. Oh, it's quite thin. I don't know, let's go with Blam. Yes, a streak of 2. Blam. It's a slam on his handle, weirdly. Right, might just move this camera closer. Any better? Right, so, next. Oh wait, no, I need to feel it, don't I? Oh, this is like, feels like it's split into 3 bits. I really don't know. Maybe Plantastic? Oh, it's, what's it called? The lamp. I was thinking Snoop Light, but that's Neon Power. Where is he? Why can't I find him? Is he there? Glowlux, that's it. There he is. I might just stay like this, because that's so weird. I don't quite get the entire lighting thing. Next, I really have to speed up. I think I might stop. This will be the last one I feel. Max Peel we'll go with. Oh, it's Tricky Up. There we go. No cape. Ah, he's doing the splits. Right, that was weird. Here we go. Oh, Icy Silver. Escappuccino. What? He's got rockets on his dish? Did not know that. Wow. Very nice. Oh, he's got a heart, it looks like. Wait, does that mean his heart is in his head? So where's his brain? We're not questioning the anatomy of SuperThings today. We're here to open SuperThings. Right, next. Can I... Whee! Right. Oh, this is Potato, of course. He's returned from Series 6. This camera. Right, so can you just stay there? No, we're just going to continue. I really should stop trying. Don't know. I've got a feeling it's Maleficate, but I don't know why. But that is not Maleficate. This is a Tropical. Not very good with names today. Other side. Context I'm looking at. Me check this. Tropical. I was right. A bit menacing, right? This is the final one from the tea drag, and it feels like another Willie Williams. I'm guessing that's what it is. I forgot to mention. Hope you have a happy Easter today. Oh, it's another silver star stick. I think it is. Right then, so. Oh yes, I'm in the box. Bye bye, SuperThings. Yep, let's get there, everywhere now. Right, so let's release the rest. This one's very scrunched up. Don't know what's happening there. Let's open it, shall we? No more dilly-dadding. What's it? It's the blender. Smoothie Twist. Hello. Yeah, I really need to stop drawing all the lighting. There he is. Don't know. Can I do a thing? I did a thing. It is the easel. That's what it's called, isn't it? Where is he? No. Trolloc. Nah, he looks quite menacing. Oh, this one is very big and very flat. Maybe Jinx? This one's taken me by surprise. Oh, it's so big. I'm going Jinx. So we have only had one crystal in this box so far. Oh, it's Targeton. He's cool. He's on the box, of course. You can see the sun is shining through him. Oh, you can't see his eyes. Why can't you? There we go. Very professional photography, as you can tell. Right. So we've only got two crystals so far. A crazy jet I'm going. This one is what the soil remaster to change the leaves, assuming it is him. Oh no, it's Count Delabra. Who is a candelabra? Good. Right. I'm gonna get a check this time. I'm not functioning today. Once again, I'm hoping for a Maleficate. However, this far in the box, I doubt it. But it's not that. It's blue. Snackster. He's quite a different shape than I thought he'd be. He's got a very big mouth. It looks like those chattering teeth he does. So he's a backpack, I think. Ooh, right, I should be able to guess this one. This is Hydrator, I'm going. It definitely feels like a bottle. Yes. Hydrator. He's very hydrating. What am I doing? Don't know. Let's go for it. Shall we?